Tavares joined. Oh yeah, brother Tavares, you do got a lot of
I
power.
told you.
Peace, brother. Peace. It's all good. Just be in and out. It's all good. Peace, my good brother. Let me get this thing started for the people. Or something like that. Put this over here up in there. Form. Share. Uh, that looks. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yep. Peace, good people. Good. Peace, good people. Those that's joining us live and those that's joining us on the recording. Peace to the people. I'm your good brother, your good host, Nasut Imamo Atumre, also known as D Brown or David Brown. And of course, I got my good partner, one of my best friends, Brother Tavares. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people? Grand Rising, Grand Rising.
Right, man. Rise. Yeah, man. Let's get into this because I think we both got something to do today. And we're probably gonna keep this one short, 6:25. So first thing we want to do, what we want to do, brother, we want to check that weather, right? Gotta check the weather. Let's check the weather because hell, we might not even want to do nothing today, right? Check that weather. And it actually looked like clear skies. Let's make sure that's Tuesday, December the 7th. Yeah, clear skies. Shouldn't be much turbulence. Once we get up to 30,000 to 40,000 feet, we will let the unfasten your seatbelt light come on. You'll be able to move freely around the cabin. Nuts and drinks will be served. Just wave to our stewardess, our beautiful stewardess that's up and down the aisles, and we'll get you to your destination fast and safe. Right? Is that how they talk? Be like, damn. Hey, you ever been on a plane before, brother? And plane just shake it. I done been on some planes, but I done been on private. Hey, plane just shake it, turbulence, and the pilot on there talking about, hey, and yes, we're gonna have a little turbulence. Not no problem, don't worry about it. Man, the plane be upside down, and you be tripping like, yo. All right, so let's do this. Let's go to the Discord and go check the Discord and see what might have been put on there. First of all, I am in this. I think you were saying that you was in a pair. Which pair you was in?
I didn't get in.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. You was just monitoring, kind of watching people. That's cool. Something we could bring up in a minute. Good morning. The top of the morning to you, sir. Top of the morning. Hey, you got your breakfast going, not a problem. This I was looking at this, kind of keeping my eye on it. This Aussie chef, yeah, made that nice, great impulse move down, like they was continuing and stuff. So I was looking for some opportunity to maybe make it down to these areas. The Bears, they kind of show up. So, what I seen was again, yeah, the market coming up into these areas and kind of releasing a couple of a couple of shares, couple of it's like somebody, a couple of people is dumping some stock at one time. Kind of jumped the gun on this one, but we'll see. I just like the behavior of everything that's up there. Try it, so not much of a big position on it, but I was kind of liking how it was curving up. Jumped the gun because, like I said, it didn't break any lows, minor lows, but that is. Um, I am looking for a bearish reaction from this area. So we'll see. We'll see. Other than that, um, back to the Discord. As far as the Discord was, let's see if we had anything that we was kind of looking at. I have to put it back up. Give me 1 second. That's my fault right there. I think it's back up, yeah. Because the Discord usually be on a different page, so that's why it kind of blinks out. But let's see. So let's just run through the Forex. Anything for CAD, December the 3rd. Oh, okay, that was the CAD JPY. Euro pairs. Nothing since 11/30, November the 30th. British pairs. The British Aussie was looking for some kind of bullish punch there, and then December the 12th, I know we was looking at the British JPY to do some things. So let's check out the British Aussie, and see what happened. Um, ooh, getting bullish. Let's see. So British Aussie. All right, so cool. Right away, British Aussie, they broke through that little level, right? Which was an hour level, by the way. Simple resistance turning to support, and they broke that up. That's not a problem. I still would think bullish on this, of course. Uh, if I could see it, but if we was to pull a fib, they hitting fib areas, major fib areas actually. Beating up the 6-2. Not much. Not much strength coming in too. So I would want to think they're gonna come down and see about these lows. Which would this is British Aussie too, brother, which would be kind of countering of what I'm trying to do on that. I think what I'm in Aussie chef. Yeah, that's
Yeah, so that mean yeah, because Aussie would be showing some strength right now.
sweep the leg. Hey man, it's always see for me. I'm weird like that, y'all. For me, I think backwards. This this might actually turn out to be a circulation trade, right? We don't never say lose here at KTG. We say circulation. Um, yeah, my circulation for me is good because this will turn out to be a good week. So I'd be like, let's get the let's get the let's shake the bugs out early. It's Tuesday, cool, not a problem. It's not. I actually welcome adversity. This makes life much more enjoyable and much with adventure. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see. I'm still in it though. You know me. And like anybody should be, you should never just put your stop loss right at the swing highs or that near swing highs or swing lows and whatnot. You should always give it that room. So we'll see. There's nothing to spaz out about. And even if the market was up here, I still want to spaz out. You know me. I'm like that airplane pilot. Going through the storm, telling you that everything gonna be just fine. I just need y'all to put on y'all seatbelts at this point. What's that market that you was looking at? Oh wait. Before you do that, I, I think we was looking at. I think we seen British JPY too. That's a famous one. Everybody loves that. Everybody loves it. What was really looking at this? Let's go to the daily. All right, so and they like really beating this. I think we had this since last week, right? So they beating that up. You see that? Beating them up. An easy trade. Wow, that's gonna be bad for my British, for my Aussie chef. I could already see that. So anyway, because the British is getting weaker. Real easy stuff, man. Look, boom, 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 boom. What did they do? They turned this 200, which is a floating resistance slash support, turned it from support to resistance. You actually can make plays off of that if it's given good opportunity. Uh, yeah, 3 o'clock they kind of stopped it in the ground. Got a lot of buyers after they kind of manipulated it, and they got a lot of buyers to buy stuff, and this they just closed them in. Uh, so you're getting a little 3 o'clock, of course, right? So when we know about 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock is usually going to have a little hit of volume around that time anyway, because that's that London opening. But to decipher the volume, a lot of times, especially during session changes, London, New York, all that good stuff, uh, Asian, you have to let the market settle. So even after this, a poke at the top of them not making no more high highs, what did they do? To no avail of making high highs, they actually made lower lows. Right. And if you wanted to, if you just wanted to be safe, I know we was talking about the AR, the automatic rally, the push to basically that invisible line of imbalance. You could say this as a shallow one, but really you should say something like this. You see what I'm saying, brother?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, as that imaginary balance, imbalance area where you would need to see at this point no more bullish hits and all straight bearish hits. You know, they shouldn't want to come back to give back these people that money. So and that's at a lower point of that too, by the way. Of course you had a couple of hits up here on the 5 minutes, aggressive hits. But if the British is getting weak like that, that's well, that would just mean a difference for the British Aussie. But for me, oh yeah, sweep the leg. So we'll see. What's the one you was looking at? Or kind of keeping your eye on? Still up, brother.
It was in New Zealand USD. Hold on a second. I'll be right back.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, all right.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So what you was looking at this for? Bullet, like a bullish run, which they kind of give us some
Yeah.
right now. Yeah. Yes, I do like your thoughts. So just simple. They was making higher highs, especially off that bullish hit that they did last year. Of course, they made higher highs on the daily. A series of higher highs, rather. At this point, boom, and then they made a higher high at that point. But you do see they hit a nice little resistance area. Uh, bang down, made a series of minor lower lows in, into what could be a pullback. We know that. Like a pullback to continue up. So yeah, bias wise, yeah, I definitely could see looking for opportunities for buys. I also could see opportunities for sales, of course, at different areas. What is this guy talking about? Sell, buy, sell. What does he want us to do? Okay, so you do see they hitting that 33%, which means they might not be done with these sales. Probing down here, going, for future references. You know that, right? Because we know that they like to do it in stages. This is the 33 of this pull. This is the 33%. They're actually beating up the 33%. It's a good chance they might make their way down to the 50%, which is ironically down here where I already have this bracket off at. Wow. So when they click together like that, you can kind of look at it like that. As far as if you was looking for opportunity for sales, you got this nice space, open space that you can see about. On the other side of that, because I always like to have a plan B, plan C, and a plan D. Why not, right? We in war. If we was going up and you wanted opportunity for going up, this would actually be a good opportunity for going up too right now, right? But of course, it have to have that behavior of what you want, the criteria of what you want. I always say that every trader is right. If you're a buyer, you're right. If you're a seller, you're right. It's a timing thing. Your timing might be off. Your proximity might be off, right? So you are looking at bullish. I do like the fact that they are turning these heavy resistance areas that's been check. Uh, wow. Let me do one more thing. Well, let me go through this. Heavy resistance areas being checked multiple times that's turned into support, right? So of course you'll have some areas where you could look for buyers. Look for buyers. In this area, they overshot this now. So how I would look at this, then this is level one course stuff, by the way. Plug, university, all that good stuff. That overshoot at this level would do what, brother? It'd bring in some breakout traders, right? They love it,
Yep. And do sellers.
right? So the opportunity for buys are there if the bulls feel like they could trap some traders up in this area. Simple as that. So let's see. I like the overshoot. Let's see how it look on the 1 hour um as far as how they taking these lower prices or the lower prices attracting those
You're still on the daily.
Oh, I actually clicked the daily again. Isn't that something? So up under that level right there, which by the way, to brother T, train, I haven't heard the train like that over here like that. That's pretty good. Um, moved away from one train and went to another. So look, in retrospect, same thing happened over and over and over too. By the way, this actually turns into a resistance area going forward. Now they could blow past it, this and that, but remember, we just record everything. You know, as an investigator, you got to shift through all your notes and everything. And a lot of stuff you're gonna push to the side. Some things are gonna be more high priority. Some things are gonna be less. In this case, we need to note this, that they did break this area. We probably could look for opportunity to continue to go back down. Remember, we were saying that they might want to hit those fib areas later, right? So keep that in mind. But now going back to the daily, I'm sorry, to the 1 hour, what we would need to see is some trapping down here. And right away, I'll tell you, for me, like I say, when we looked at it earlier, I can bring some of this stuff up. I didn't really see a lot of strength from the buyers coming in from down here. As far as like a big push, they actually really low up in this area too. And then later on, when last night, they kind of, if you notice, it overshot this area, which what does the same thing. The market is fractal. It brings those breakout traders that's been waiting around. People probably got in on Asian market and it stuck them for a while, for hours, and then finally, they made a move and people started selling real quick because at one time this was a red candle, full red candle. So they started selling, and then it snapped them in. So it was minor scalp opportunity on the 5 minutes off of this level. And again, if we could see any trapping down here, which what I just explained, then yeah, it would be opportunity for a buy. So you can see it's kind of pushing right now. I wouldn't want to take nothing right now. It would have to been, of course, last night sometime. 19, what's 19? 18, 2020 is 8 o'clock. So we talking about 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, which would be 18. That's the end of Asian. And we never want to take a trade in Asian, right? I mean, y'all do know that, right? Traders, gurus, you do. You are telling your people in Forex not to make a trade between 5 and 6 o'clock, right? No? Okay, well, I don't know.
Nah, you're right. You're right. I
Right?
don't trade.
Never make a trade during that time, you know. Um, but hopefully they tell them that. And so again, on the 5 minutes, and that's the only way I do see a little peak of strength coming in is the 5 minute. This little cluster of buys that came in. Volume wise, we could tell that that's what that is right there at those spots, overshot, which means they trapping people in. They giving they actually double tap this area, right? So retrospect, this would be your AR area, your automatic rally area, the place where after a show of strength of buyers coming in, that they would have to, the first time that we see a real uh in this case resistance, first test of resistance, right? And to no avail of making any more lower lows, market proceeds to go up. A key factor in this is look how low that is as it passed through. See that? And look how they just kind of hold the price. So we're talking about entry right here, stop loss under here, market proceed to move up. So I don't want to say we missed that. I don't like to say miss. It just look for this the market to make its way up. If you did want to latch on to this, I would say this would be one leg right here. But that's gonna get risky. That's gonna get risky because they still in that sell type kind of vibe, kind of area and stuff. So that could get a little risky. Let's say if they pull back, let's say if they came boom boom and they pull back to this area where they at right now. It should be green, right? And you got that golden day that might be happening right now. Maybe that might be happening right now. It's countery, so I would be cautious. If I wasn't already down here on the bottom, I don't know if I'd be looking for any latch on to this right now. What you think, Doctor?
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I'm gonna keep monitoring.
Yeah. And they could get quite bullish throughout the day. We try to reach out to these areas. So da, 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 da. That US30 man. One time for Kanadi. That have us paying more attention to this US30 thing. Let me go to the Discord. I think you got to go in a minute, right?
Yeah, I'll have to leave in a second.
All right. I'm probably gonna stay on for like another hour. Well, you're gonna be back though, right? How long?
Yeah, I'll be back in about 30, 40 minutes.
Oh, okay. I kind of chill, kind of take a break too, let it kind of do some work for something. But I wanted to look at this. Now they have us looking at this US30 man, and the US30 pinching up off of those areas where we said if like we made it down to the area, yeah. So it's making them pinches down to them areas where we said it was gonna make it. And when I looked at it, I said, should have took some trades off of that. So they look like they're gonna proceed to make higher highs and stuff. Good area to get your buys on right here. So hopefully, our good sister, family, uh, hopefully she got in some good buys. Because what I was kind of warning about too, and I'm not sure what platform she's on, or if anybody who trades this particular platform, if they're actually selling and they have to look for buys in order to make any profits. So I was saying, do not sell now. Do not buy right now. Let it come down some more and then think about the price. Us with our platforms and stuff, if we can make money going up and down, especially in Nadex, binary options. And if they're doing any options, they should be able to make money going down. So, oh wow, I did not know I didn't go to the. I didn't know I did that. My bad. Here come the chart of that right there. That's where we at right now. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know I didn't flip it. So look, brother. I know you're finna go. Go ahead and do your thing. You ain't even got to go ahead and do your thing, and then hit me. Let me know you back when we get back on. I might even stop this, and come back on. There's nobody, you know.
All right.
It's our world. We can do whatever we like and please. So I might do that. I might even end it right now, and then we'll be back. I might not even just end it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the little sign up, and then just hit me when you come back.
Okay.
All right, brother. Be safe out there.
All right.
So yeah, I might do that. Put the sign up. We will return soon. Sign up. We still open 24 hours a day, but we will return. Look at some stuff. Maybe we'll come back on this um, the New York session, and we'll take it from there. For now, y'all, peace, 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 and we'll be back.